Hello friends and welcome to day 5 of the Wake Up Well series. You made it to the end, yay. So glad that you did and hope that you find this session a really nice one for the last day. These sessions you can do as many times as you want when you just want to wake up well. Maybe pick your favourite, do that every day, or maybe go through the series again, entirely up to you. But I just want to say thank you for joining me, and let's get started. So we are going to start in butterfly pose today. So if you want to sit at the back of your mat, we are going to come in our seated position. We're going to bring the soles of the feet together and allow the knees to just fall apart here. And then we're just going to draw the feet in a little closer towards the body, but only as far as it feels comfortable. We still want to maintain a nice long spine. So if you find that suddenly you become really rounded through the spine and you're unable to kind of straighten up, it's normally an indication that you've just brought the legs in a little too close. So just find that little sweet spot for you. And then we're just going to bring the hands to the front of the shins. As we inhale, we're going to just lift the chest up, lengthen through the spine, and you're using your hands here to just anchor you in place. Take a couple of breaths here in this position, in this lengthened position. Nice smooth inhales through the nose. Nice long exhales through your nose. Lovely. On the next inhale, just lengthen that little bit further. And then as you exhale, you're just going to start to lower the chest down towards your feet. You can just take the elbows here and just rest them on the insides of your legs, inside of the knees, and just gently push the knees apart as you lower down. We come down any amount that feels good here. We're only going as far as it feels comfortable. And then we're just going to breathe. Breathe into this stretch, inner thigh, groin area here. And you also may feel it in your low back. Lovely. Inhale nice and deeply as you rise up. And then we're going to take it into a single leg butterfly. So the left leg is going to go out straight here, and the sole of the right foot comes on the inside of the leg. That knee just comes out to the side. And we're going to engage this left quad so that when we fold forward, we're folding more from the hips rather from the back. And this is just going to help protect your back, particularly if you are someone that suffers with a little bit of back problems. Inhale, reaching the arms up overhead. Exhale, start to lower your chest over your legs. So hinge it forward, come down as far as feels comfortable. Allow the arms to come down to the mat. Maybe they rest on top of your shin. Maybe you grab hold of your foot. Then inhale to lengthen. Shine that chest forward. And then exhale, lower over your leg. You can round your head and your neck forward here. Just breathing into the back of your leg. Feel that hamstring opening up here, stretching out. Lovely. Let's inhale, let's lift. Lengthen through that spine, send the chest forward. And then exhale, let's lower back down. Lovely. Making sure that the breath is still moving freely through your body here. So no holding the breath. And then when you're ready, inhale deeply. We're going to rise up, taking the arms overhead. And then we're going to take this right arm. We're going to drop it down behind the back. Allow the whole hand to come into contact with the floor. So palm down. And then when you're ready, you're going to inhale deeply. And we're going to lift this left hip up towards the sky, lifting up. And then we're going to take this left arm, keep it either up in the air, or we're going to take it alongside the ear. So this is just a little variation on Wild Thing. Take a nice deep breath in. As you exhale, lift up this left arm and just lower yourself back down onto the ground, nice and steady. Turn to face the front, lifting both arms up overhead. Exhale, start to fold over your leg. Any amount is good. Lovely. Take a deep breath in, let it go. Then inhale, rise up with the arms. Drop that right hand behind your back, let it land. Then inhale, lift that left hip up. And if it feels okay, allow that left arm alongside your ear. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, let's lower the hips back down. Send both arms up overhead. And then exhale, fold it forward. Lovely. Inhale, rise. Take that right hand behind the back again. Then when you're ready, inhale, lift that hip up. Arm goes alongside the ear as long as that's comfortable. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, lower with control. Turn to face the front. Exhale, fold it forward over your leg. Lovely. Inhale, rise up with the arms. And then exhale, bring your hands or arms just down by your side. We're going to switch sides now. Right leg goes out. Sole of the left foot comes on the inside. So it's half butterfly on the other side. Engaging your right quad this time, making sure toes are pointing towards your body. Inhale, reaching the arms up. Exhale, let's hinge it forward, fold over the leg. Any amount is good. Dropping the arms wherever feels the most comfortable for you. And then inhale, let's lengthen through the spine, chest shines forward. Exhale, lower down. Hold it here, breathe into the back of that leg. Is that where you feel it the most today, or are you feeling it in your low back? Just tuning in. Lovely. Inhale nice and deeply, rise up with the arms. This time taking that left hand behind the back. When you're ready, you're going to inhale deeply, lift that right hip up towards the sky. And if it feels okay, sending that right arm alongside the ear. Stretch, feel that nice stretch through that side body. Take a deep breath in. Exhale with control, lower everything back down. Turn to face the front, reach the arms up. Exhale, fold it forward over your leg. Wonderful. Inhale, rise up. And then we're going to drop that left hand behind the back. We're going to inhale, reach that hip up. Arm goes alongside the ear if it's comfortable to do so. If it isn't, we're just reaching up nice and high, just really stretching up as high as you can through your fingers. Take a deep breath in, exhale, lower that hip down, reach the arms up, exhale, fold it forward. Inhale, rise up. Last one here, drop that left hand. Inhale as you lift your hip. Nice big stretch. Deep breath in. Exhale, lower. Arms go up. Exhale, fold it forward. Lovely. When you're ready, inhale nice and deeply as you rise up with the arms. Exhale, bring your hands down. And then we're going to send both legs out straight here. We're going to do a little bit of a staff pose. So legs out nice and straight, toes pointed towards your body. You're going to place your hands, your palms down either side of your hips, and then we're going to gently push into the floor. This is going to lengthen us up through the spine. If you're pushing those heels away from you, you're getting a nice stretch all the way up the back of your body. Just take a couple of breaths here. We are going to cross the legs or send the legs around to the side. We're going to make our way into that tabletop position. And then you are going to send your hips back towards your heels, coming into a child's pose, allowing the forehead to come down to the floor. And then keeping your hands planted where they are, you're going to inhale as you roll yourself back up to tabletop and then drop in the belly, lifting the chest. As you exhale, you're going to round through the spine, send the hips back to that child's pose. Forehead almost just kisses the mat here, and then you rise it up. Tabletop, then drop the belly, lift the chest. One more time, round through the spine, send the hips back. Forehead's going to kiss the mat, and then rise up. Tabletop, drop the belly, lift the chest. Lovely. Back to tabletop, tuck your toes, lift the hips, downward facing dog. Take a nice deep breath in here, let it go. Just take a moment in your downward dog, really feel it out. Lovely. And then when you're ready, you're going to look, step or jump to the front of the mat. Feet about hip distance apart. Exhale down into a forward fold. We're going to inhale, halfway lift, that nice flat back. Exhale down, forward fold. Inhale, let's rise on up. Circle those arms up overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, we're going to twist and open to the right like we did yesterday. Twisting the torso, keeping the knees nice and soft, so it's important not to lock the knees here. Inhale, let's come back to center, reach the arms up. Exhale, twist over to the left. Reach through the fingers. Inhale up as you come back to center. Take it over to the right. Reach, reach, reach. Inhale, back to center. Over to the left. Lovely. Inhale, reach up. Take your gaze up in between your hands this time. Maybe bring the palms together, that upward salute, that little mini back bend. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, let's swan dive it down into a forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, nice flat back. Exhale, forward fold. We're going to plant the hands down. We're going to step it back, downward facing dog. We're going to roll it forward into high plank. Exhale to knees, chest and chin. Lower to your belly. Inhale into baby cobra. Exhale down, tuck the toes. Downward facing dog. Let's look, then jump or step to the front of the mat. Exhale down, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise up to standing. Circle the arms up overhead. And then exhale, twist open to the right. Inhale, reach up, face the front. Exhale, swan dive it down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Plant the hands. Step it back, downward facing dog. Roll it forward, high plank position. Exhale, knees, chest and chin. Lower to the belly. Inhale, baby cobra. Lower down, tuck your toes. Downward facing dog. Lovely. We're going to look, step or jump to the front of the mat. Exhale down, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise up to standing. We circle those arms up overhead. Exhale, we're going to twist and open to the left. Inhale, reach up as you face the front. Exhale, fold it forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Plant your hands. Step both feet back, downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, lower your knees down to the ground. Untuck the toes. And then let's bring it back into our child's pose. Just take a few breaths here. And just try to relax, particularly through your arms and your shoulders. Allow your back to release here. Lovely. When you're ready, you're going to slide the hands so they come in line with the face. Push into the palms, lift yourself up. And then you can stay in a kneeling position if you wish, or come into a cross-legged position, whatever you prefer. And then you can close your eyes here, wherever you are. Inhale, let's lengthen through the spine. Exhale, rolling the shoulders down the back, whatever position you're in. And then just resting your hands on your knees or on your thighs. Taking a few rounds of deep breaths here, just paying attention to how you feel. Lovely. And then for this final day, we're going to just cultivate some positive energy again here. So when you're ready, you're going to inhale, reach the arms up, gathering up that wonderful energy, positive energy, bringing it into the palms together. Exhale down, bring it down to that heart space. Inhale, reaching up, gather it all up. Exhale, bring it down into that heart space. One more time. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Take a nice deep breath in through your nose. Nice big exhale out through your mouth. Blinking open the eyes if they are not open already. And that brings us to the close of our final day of our Wake Up Well series. So thank you so much for joining me for the past 5 days. It's been a pleasure to teach you all, and I hope to see you in another session or series very soon. Take good care, and see you in the next one. Bye.